Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been a little while. Catie's Bubbles. This is the 2019 Maggard Meetup soap that Chris brought. So I don't have too much left of that. It's had the ring of death probably for the last 4 or 5 shaves. I thought I would have killed it much sooner than now, but anyway, it's still living on. And that specific base, they have Catie's Bubbles, to my knowledge, still has 2 different bases. They have their, I guess their standard base, and then they have, I think, what Chris calls their premium base. This is in that premium base, a bit more silkier. Definitely top, for sure top 10, maybe even top 7 on my vegan base list. Absolutely wonderful. We're going to use the brand new Derby blade here. This came in a sample pack. I really don't know anything other than what you're seeing here. Little blue Derby wording here. We're going to use the TRC. This is the aluminum. And I guess I'll go ahead and show you the brush as well. The Manchurian by QED Select. All right, so let's get the blade on. It's been a very long time since I uploaded a video. I want to say almost a month, if not a month at this point. So yeah, it's been a while, and just been busy and trucking along, you know, normal work and soaps and splash and EDPs and stuff. And we've got another release coming later this month. So yeah, it'll be fun. You know, we're trucking right along. We definitely, this isn't a Nightwatch Soap Company update or anything like that. But I do want to, you know, pay my respects to everybody and say thank you very much for supporting us and yeah, giving us a try if you haven't yet. So definitely appreciate that. Alrighty, tighten that down. Very nice. All right, so this is an evening shave. For sure, I'm gonna have a little bit of bleeding. As you can see, I've got a couple of spots of irritation, mainly due to the growth. I haven't shaved in, this is going on 3.5 days, almost 4 days of growth. So we could definitely expect some irritation, unfortunately. I'm gonna go ahead and lather this up in here to avoid the clanging. And I need to fill up my sink anyway. We'll be right back. Alrighty, we've got our brush loaded here. You know, not a complaint at all, more so just preference. These little taller but kind of small mouth jars are kind of a pain whenever you're, I mean, my brush handle's just about the width of the actual opening, so it's a little hard to, I know that's not what Chris typically uses. I think he has, well, I know he has the full-size tubs. I have Barnegat Bay, and I have LPV, something like that. Yeah, love something. But anyway, I have the normal size tubs. I just really don't like these small tubs. There's another artisan that does that as well. But like I said, that's just something, that's my preference, that's all. All right. We are gonna whip up a great lather. Like I said, Catie's Bubbles provide such an excellent lather. Before I go any further, it is Jason's birthday tomorrow, although this will probably be recorded on his birthday. Jason at TRC, the owner of TRC. So if you weren't aware of that already, you could send him a message at the Razor Company or shoot him an email just wishing him happy birthday. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this. I've already said this, but I prefer the premium base from Catie's Bubbles. Like I said, it's a bit silkier, it's creamier. I'm able to get exceptional lathers from it. I can get really good lathers from the other base as well. I just prefer this base, and this base, how I lather at least, it works much easier and It's a much better lather. Again, how I lather. You may be completely opposite. All right, let's go. You know what? A little bit of lather on the rim of the bottle there. Be aight. Oh, it is warm in this bathroom. Got home before it started to drizzle. Got on the weed eater. I know you guys up north call it a weed whacker, right? Or maybe you call it something different, but essentially weed eated the front of the yard. Got that done. That takes about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Finished that up. Hopped on the mower real quick. That takes about, we have 3 different sections in our front yard, just all separated by concrete. Walkway and driveway and that type of thing. So that takes about 25, 30 minutes. So it's about an hour in total. And I was finishing up driving back to the shed to park the lawnmower, and started drizzling. I was like, yes, I need to go buy a lottery ticket. Now the back's not done. That's typical though, because the weekends I'm far too busy, unfortunately, to unfortunately and fortunately, to weed eat and mow. Both front and back in the same day. Generally, not always, but most weekends. I'd say 3 out of 4 weekends. So I'll have to kind of split it up throughout the week. Like I'll get home one day and do the front, and I'll get home one day and do the back. So yeah, the back needs to be done. It hasn't been done in, let's see. It's been a week and 3 days, a week and a half. Let's just call it a week and a half. So it's, you know, it's about that high. Needs to get done. Like I said, we're gonna have some irritation here. Nothing to do with the razor, the blade, nothing to do with the soap. That's just my face. So definitely enough slickness. What was this? I almost said Dorco. This Derby feels okay. I want to say I've used Derbies before, maybe in a, do they have Derbies in an orange pack? You know what, I bet I'm thinking of Dorcos in the orange pack. Let me rinse off real quick. But yeah, I don't think the Dorcos in the orange pack do too well for me. Maybe that's what I'm thinking of. I have some Derby half blades pre-broken that came with a shavette that I was gifted, and those just did not feel good on my skin. I don't know, they came in like a black pack, like I said, pre-broken. Black pack that said like Derby Premium Blades or whatever. And I don't know, just not, those specific Derby blades were not for me. But this actually feels okay. I've got quite a bit of growth, as you could see in the beginning, and so I'll probably title the beginning of this video Happy Birthday Jason or something like that, and then, you know, Catie's Bubbles, blah blah blah, Maggard Meetup, so etc. Just because, you know, in my opinion, let me rinse out the sink real quick. Hold on. Let's finish this puppy up. But yeah, what I was saying was, you know, it's not even worth bringing up, to be honest with you. But you can only judge a man based on your experiences with him. You can't really take anybody's word, and that goes for anybody, unless, you know, you have personal experience. And so all I'm gonna say is that Jason has been nothing but an absolute gentleman. Even before Nightwatch Soap Company, even long before Nightwatch Soap Company. So, you know, you may hear something completely different than what I'm telling you right now, but all I'm going to tell you is look at the proof. And anyway, so let's finish this puppy up. Definitely have some irritation there. On my neck, right there on my chin. But it'll be okay. I may even have a couple of ingrowns, unfortunately, but we'll get to them whenever I shave next. I'll check them out, and I have my handy dandy, what is this? My handy dandy Revlon tweezers here. Sometimes I'll do it, sometimes I'll ask my wife to do it. Hey babe, you mind plucking some ingrown hairs that I may have or may not have under my neck? She typically doesn't enjoy it, but she'll do it. All right, very, very nice. I would say towards the end of that last pass, I started feeling a little bit of tugginess from the derby. You know, let's see. I really don't want to do too much buffering because I'm not baby bottom smooth, but I don't want to do too much buffering because of the irritation that's already currently there. I think we're good. Oh, it's hot in here. Hope everyone's extremely well, happy, healthy. Well, let's get a good rinse in. All right, we're gonna go with, this is a, well, I don't want to say it yet, but anyway, it's a new scent I'm just testing out. Anyway, so in splash form. It could be a bit sweeter, I think. I need to add a bit more, well, anyway, I don't want to, I may never release it, so I don't want to, say something. But anyway, yeah, that's it. That's the shave. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking it out. If you're still here, definitely give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. I want to say that when I looked at analytics, maybe at the beginning of March, most people, there was only like, if 100 people watched the video, there was only like 3 or 4 that actually stayed the entire time, which I get it. It's weird watching a dude shave, especially a weird dude like me shave. It's extra weird. So anyway, but I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video. If you are still watching, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Like I said, subscribe. And yeah, I'll catch you guys for the next shave. Stay safe, stay ready, and yeah, I'll see you.